In Turkey, a train accident near Ankara has killed at least 9 people and injured more than 40. In Sierra Leone, doctors are striking for a second week over low pay. At the country's largest hospital, patients say they are going without treatment. At United Nations peace talks in Sweden, Yemen's warring parties agreed to a ceasefire, and Houthi rebels are to withdraw from all 3 ports in Hodeidah. And in California, space vacations have come closer to becoming a reality with the successful launch of a private rocket plane to the edge of space.